Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Tuesday, the 20th of January. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. All right, just a quick recap of yesterday 5.3 inches of snow at Logan Airport. Still have not seen a 6-inch snowstorm, almost 4 years now. This is the biggest storm since February 8th and 9th last year, 5.5 inches. We're behind by just over 7 inches at this point. Typically, we would see 18 inches. There is no typical. I hate looking at averages with snowfall because it's so variable, and you get one 12-inch snowstorm and you're over where you were. So it's not like rain where you get a sense of droughts and things like that, because we get these bursts of snowfall, not like rain where you get a little bit in the summer or the spring and it's a little more regular, even though even then it's fairly unregular. All right, let me get to the weather. I'm babbling a little bit here this morning. We've got sunshine, temperatures 20 to 25. Gusty wind at times, making it feel in the single digits and teens. Tonight, clear, single digits to teens. Actual temperatures, winds will be very light. Tomorrow, sunshine followed by clouds. We'll get above freezing, probably about 32 to 36 in the afternoon, warmest over the Cape and the islands. Thursday, there might be a little rain or a snow shower in the wee hours of the morning, and then mostly sunny, temperatures near 40. Friday, 20s, and then the real cold stuff moves in Saturday and Sunday. Some of the models are bringing us well below zero. Actually, the European was almost 10 degrees colder than the GFS. So it remains to be seen. We don't talk about it as much, but forecasting like the exact temperatures 5 days away is also still not great. It's like forecasting a snowstorm number of inches. I know there's potential for a snowstorm, for example, but I'm not going to put out a snow map. And I know it's going to be cold. There's no way it's not going to be way colder than average this weekend. It's just a matter of, is our high temperature in Boston, is it 13 or 14, or is it 10? And that makes a big difference. And, we don't want to be under -5, because then we're going to start running into problems with the fruit trees. And I hope that's not going to happen, but we'll see. More on that in the coming day. Have a great morning.